Looking to apply for the American Express Cobalt Card in Canada? Here's a quick step-by-step guide to get you started. First, make sure you're eligible. You must be a Canadian resident at least 18 years old and have a good credit history. It helps you have your income details and residential history on hand before you begin. Next, head over to the official American Express Canada website and navigate to the Cobalt Card page. Take a moment to review the perks like 5 times points on food and drinks, flexible travel rewards, and access to exclusive Amex experiences. When you're ready, click apply now. Fill in your personal details, name, address, date of birth, along with your employment information, and annual income. Amex will do a soft credit check for us so your credit score stays unaffected at this stage. If everything looks good, you'll complete the full application. You'll often get an instant decision, and if approved, your card typically arrives in 5 to 7 business days. Once your card arrives, activate it through the Amex app or website, and you're all set to start earning points on your everyday spending. Well, that's it. Really fast, easy, rewarding. And if you find this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment on what card you would want me to cover next. Thanks for watching. Until then, see you soon.